Alright, I thought I'd give you a little heads up of what I'm doing here. As you can tell, this pulley right here decided to lock up on me when I was driving down the road, and it happened to break my belt. So what I'm doing now is I'm replacing my AC compressor pulley. And on the back here, it's got 4 bolts. Got one here, and you got one here, and you got one down here, and you got one right here. Now you can decide if you want to take this valve cover off or not, or what you could do is you could take this bolt right here off and then take you a ratchet here. Alright, then or else you could take your ratchet here and then go in there like so and turn it like that. And then you may want to take off your clip here too, this clip here, and then that's pretty much how you do it. And then I'll be back with y'all in the video. Now I am going to have to convert this over to R34 because apparently they don't make R12 no more, so we're going to do that here in a second. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright, we're back. Alright, so you got your bolts off here. If I was you, I would take this bolt right here off first, and then this bolt over here off next to get this bolt down here, because it's a pain in the butt. And then here are the bolts right here. This but yeah, this bolt right here goes down here. This bolt goes up here all the way across, and then this bolt right here goes into your compressor like that. And then this bolt right here goes down in this spot right here. Alright, after you got that, the next is you want to do is you want to take this connector off here, take that off, and there's a little ground wire right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's right there. Take that off, and you pull that loop to the side, and then your compressor should pull right out, just like that. As you can tell, it doesn't want to spin or nothing. Alright, let's put the other compressor and check it out. Alright, we are back here. Here's the old one, as you know, don't spin, and here's the new one that does spin, just like that. And then it should slide right in there. Oh, you might get your fingers too. And if you line all the bolts up right, you should get a good clean whistle. And that's how you do it, folks.